In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pixel art in Photopea. To begin, open Photopea and create a very small canvas, as pixel art requires precise control over individual pixels. Click on the File option at the top left corner and select New. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then enter a small width and height. For example, you can use 28 by 28 pixels. Choose your preferred background, whether transparent, white, or black, and then click Create. You will now see a very small canvas on your screen. To work comfortably, hold the Alt key and use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in closely. Next, go to the View option at the top, hover over Show, and enable Grid so you can clearly see each pixel square. After that, click on Edit at the top left and open Preferences. In the grid settings, set Gap X and Gap Y both to 1 so that the grid displays every single pixel accurately, then close the Preferences window. Now you are ready to draw. On the left toolbar, find the Brush tool, right-click on it, and select the Pencil tool because it provides sharp pixel edges without smoothing. At the top settings bar, set the size to 1 pixel to ensure precise drawing. Then choose your colors from the color picker located at the bottom right of your screen. Select any color you like and click OK. As you click on the canvas, you will notice that each click fills exactly 1 pixel square. Continue drawing carefully, placing each pixel intentionally to build your design. Pixel art requires patience and precision, so take your time shaping your character, object, or icon. You can switch colors anytime and zoom in further if needed for accuracy. Once your artwork is complete, go to File at the top left, hover over Export As, and choose your preferred format. If your artwork has a transparent background, select PNG to preserve transparency. Otherwise, you can use JPG if transparency is not required. Click Save to download your artwork to your device, and this is how you can make pixel art in Photopea.